Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorial on baking the Navmesh in Highrise Studio. The Navmesh is an important part in making sure that your character or avatar is able to move around your scene or world. So to get started with this, we need to turn on our gizmos in the scene view by toggling the visibility in the top right. We also need to scroll down to the AI navigation and make sure that the Show Navmesh is toggled to on. This will then bring up this blue highlighted section on our platform or our floor. This is where our character or avatar is able to move. So if we were to switch to our game mode, which will let that load in, our character should be able to move freely on the floor. So I'll just show you here. We're able to click and our character is able to move. Now, with that being said, if we needed to extend this platform, the Navmesh doesn't extend automatically. So if we make this bigger, even though our platform or our floor is larger, the Navmesh still stays the same. So the only portion of floor currently that we're able to walk on is the little highlighted bit. So to fix that, we need to go to Navmesh in the hierarchy, go down to Navmesh data and clear that data. Then we need to bake the data again. And that'll change our Navmesh to be able to walk across the whole platform or floor. So now if I go to play again, and it's just loading in, it shouldn't be too long, our character is now able to walk from either end. And that's it for baking the Navmesh. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.